think I might go ahead and buy this Mercedes Benz. You know, I always wanted a Benz. They only want a little 3200. That's gas money. I got that all day, 3200. But they got 20s on them. They got the 20s on with their 10s, but I'll keep them clean. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cop this. Get all the girls with this Mercedes. This Mercedes girl don't even look at me unless you got a Mercedes. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do it. We going to the club. Me and all the boys. And we getting all Mr. Take Your Girl with my new Mercedes Benz. I'm killing them out here. Killing them.